Okay, so we're back on the module that we created. We created a module and added a whole bunch of things into it, and then we actually went in and edited the module and put requirements on all these things that they have to progress through. And when you're on these things, by the way, you can click on the View Progress, and it's going to bring up all your students in your class. And so I could have this first person here, it says in progress, and it shows the things that they have left to do. So there'd be a whole bunch of things here, and if they get it all complete and it's all done, it would have like a complete and a check mark there. So that's kind of nice. Okay, so what I wanted to show you real quickly in this video is an LTI tool that I created that's something we can add to the module that kind of works the same as this progress thing, and I think it looks a little nicer. So we're going to click the plus, and this time we're going to actually add something else to the module, but it's going to be an external tool. An external tool. And there's a whole bunch of external tools here that we can possibly use. And the one I want is this one right here, Module Table of Contents. It says use this external tool as the first item in a module. It will act as a table of contents for the module. When a student clicks on it, the module requirements will be listed with green LEDs and so on. So I'm going to click that, and it puts a URL down here below. And what do I want to call it? I'm going to just call it the table of contents. You can call it whatever you want there. I'm not going to have it load in a new tab. Indentation, I'm not going to indent it. So I'm going to click Add Item. And there it is. So what we always want to do with this is move this up to the very top of your module. That's where it would make sense. And I'm going to go ahead and click Publish It. Okay, I can actually, come back in here and make it a requirement to, to view it. So I'm going to click Edit, and I get all my requirements again. I'm going to add one more, and now it's Table of Contents because that's the first thing that was in there. And View Item is the only option. So I'm going to go ahead and update the module. I'm going to just click Continue instead of relocking it as a student view. Student view. Okay, and we have all these things, and none of them are checked off. So I'm going to click on the Table of Contents. And just by clicking on that, that's actually going to check it off. So what you see from the student view is it'll have the name of the module up here at the top, Learning About Canvas. It'll say below are all the tasks that need to be finished to complete Learning About Canvas. If a task is required, the completion requirements are listed. And so green, it means completed. Yellow would be not required because you might not put a requirement on something in the module, and so it'll be in here, but it'll just be yellow. Not completed, red, means that there is a requirement on it, but you just haven't done it yet. And then sometimes I'll put some things in the module that I don't actually want to publish yet, like a test that's going to be upcoming that they know that they're going to eventually do, but they won't be able to click on it. And so that'll actually be in here too. It'll just say not published. It'll all be grayed out. So since I clicked on the table of contents, it shows a progress bar, and that progress bar is 16.7% of the way complete. So this is maybe just a little nicer than the actual module view. The module view doesn't have like a progress bar, it just has the green checks on the side. But this one will turn all these LEDs green once you do them, and then it'll start doing your progress bar. In one of the next videos, I'll show, I'll just have a student do all these things and show how the progress bar grows and then completes the module.